Hi, I'm Kelly Atkins, and I'm just going to share with you a workshop on the brain and play and the body and how they come together. And hopefully you'll learn some tools as well as why we do what we do and the importance and the power of play, how it can change the world. And instead of looking for a workout, if you'd make it a play out, and I'll show you how, it can heal trauma, it can bring in far more joy, it can help with depression, it can help with addiction, and a heck of a lot of other problems. It releases all different kinds of stuff, hormones, different wiring in the brain, and it's all within your reach. You don't need to have something to make it become playful. It's all a choice of how you do what you do. So click the link above and you get the workshop, you get Organica, you get a 30-minute core play